Tired of money controlling your life? Fed up with not having options to live the lifestyle you really want to live? Well, we have a solution for you. Let's talk about the true story of a South African woman named Christelle. Christelle is a single mom who lost everything during COVID. She was down to nothing, not even money for groceries. But Christelle held on to her faith, prayer, and determination to create a better life for herself and her daughter. One day, she stumbled upon a video about our six-figure blueprint for making daily pay requiring only 2 hours a day. Christelle didn't even have the money to purchase the program, but she did not allow that to stop her. She borrowed the money from her mom and burned the bridge behind her. She was committed. This had to work. Christelle followed the blueprint step by step, was laser-focused, remained coachable and consistent. And within 5 months, Christelle went from being completely broke to making 6 figures, which equates to a millionaire in South African rands. Put wow in the comments. And we are super excited to report that last week, Christelle bought her mom a brand new car for her birthday. What an amazing story of transformation. This is what our program can do for you. If it can happen for Christelle, a woman who lost everything, why can't it happen for you? And really, what do you have to lose? If you're ready to change your story over the last 6 months of this year, put ready in the comments. I'm ready. You ready? Let's go.